This is Amit Sharma from C21 Infinity Stanhope Gardens. We are presenting you number 5A Blend Place, Woodcroft, which is 2 minutes drive to the shops, which is 2 minutes walk to the lake and pretty close to the school. This house has 2 living areas, 3 bedrooms, master comes with ensuite. We have beautiful garden in the front and beautiful garden at the back. Thank you very much for watching the video, and we'll look forward to see you at the first open home. This is a beautiful house for first time home buyers or investors. Thank you guys.